Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to claim Temu gifts for free. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to download the Temu application and log in into your account if you haven't already. And once you have done that, you should be redirected to this screen. I'm just going to wait for it to load. So once you're on this screen, you just have to click on you at the bottom of the viewer screen, and then just click on earn reward, and then just click on get gifts. It will say all items are for free. Just click on the first option right here, and here you can get any gift here for free. So just click on this, for example, and then just click on pick gifts and start inviting after selecting your sizes and colors or whatever variations you are prompted with. And then just click on this option, and here you have to add everything, and then it will give you a link that you have to refer to your friends. And once you get enough points, you can order anything for free, which are basically Temu gifts that you can order for free. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.